Wagwan Style Squad, welcome back to another video. Yeah, and welcome back to Tash Styles Beauty, where we indulge in beauty and lifestyle. Okay, so guys, I am going to address the elephant in the room right away. I was not posting for 2 weeks. I had to take a small break because life happened and I had to get some stuff together. Okay, guys, but I am back and I'm back with the contents. Okay, this channel is about to be lit, it is about to be on fire. Okay, so guys, definitely stay tuned and see what is about to happen. I am about to do a top ponytail for you guys today, and as you can see, I am getting that ear sleek down so it can be on point. If you are new here, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of what I do here. And if you are a resident subscriber, big up yourself. Thank you, okay, for being a part of the family, okay? Continue sharing, liking, and commenting on the videos, guys. And never forget to click that notification button so you can see whenever I upload. Okay, now guys, as I told you, I was, you know, out of service for a minute, but I'm back and I'm ready to bring those contents to you guys. I have a ton of content ideas and I just am ready to get them out to you. Okay, I am also gonna go ahead and get my new intro. I'm just telling you, I'm kind of excited, so I'm saying it to you now. So look out for that because I am doing a channel. I'm not gonna say revamp, but I'm just sprucing up that girl a bit. Okay, I'm just, you know, yeah, you know. So definitely check that out, guys. I would love for you to interact with me more so I can know what you like and what you'd like to see on my channel, guys. I'll be going ahead with makeup challenges, all, the works. So definitely go ahead down in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video and what you'd like to see in the future. Okay, guys, I know I haven't given you all as yet, but definitely don't worry about it. It's coming, it is coming, guys. So yeah, definitely look out for that as well. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I am getting that ponytail bun up. Okay, now I should tell you before I went ahead and I did blow out my hair and, straighten it a bit so it's a bit lighter for me and I'm able to achieve that sleek look. Okay, now, guys, I should say my ear is very thick, okay? So, I definitely had to do that to achieve this look because I really wanted it to be flat and sleek and, have that look like it is, you know? Yeah, so that's what I did. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I am getting in the second side. Now, guys, I should tell you that I was so amazed with my ear length when I straightened my hair because, you know, you have the hair, but you're not really noticing it until it's blown out and straightened and you can see the real length. I was blown away because I've been growing my natural hair for about a year and a half, I think, and you know, I'm really amazed with it. I'm about to get a trim soon, okay, because natural hair has to be trimmed as well, but I won't be doing it. I definitely will be getting my professional hairdresser to get that done for me. Guys, I do have a wash routine video on my channel. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. Okay, I can put the link in my description for you, so you can definitely check that out as well. Okay, now I will be doing a updated routine so you can see some of the things I use in my hair to grow my hair. Okay, and you can try them as well and see if it will work for you. Okay, now definitely getting that bun tight, so I'm really trying to get that tight and slick. Okay, yeah. Also go ahead and check out my Instagram pages, guys. Okay, they're linked down in the description box, so you can check them out. Okay, and let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Okay. Come through. She came all the way out. Come, listen. Is that a baddie in my chair? Ain't she a baddie, God? Listen. And your girl, she had to, do a little extra. And, I went ahead and bling out my hair with some rhinestones to get that done. And a cute little makeup, so the look is complete. Guys, let me know what you think about this look. A definite body kind of vibes for me. Definite screaming summer for me, guys. What do you think?